What a move to the upside here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So the SPY continues to test key resistance levels that we've broken down in previous videos, touching up here near 612 in the after hours and in today's volatility. And our SPY bot at 10:05 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 Vision, our bots, and our 42 Vision indicators, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us to maximize within the volatility and receive that edge and clarity within the charts and markets. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, pulling upwards towards the all-time highs of the SPY, back up here near 612. It was trying to retest and retrace it. We've been watching it. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected to our 42 Vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators, and join the members using 42 Vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down through the volatility of the charts and market. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community. Again, that link is down below in the description. So the home run today was from our QQQ bot. It sent out a bull indicator at 10:05 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 Vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 Vision and our bots, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. And as you can see here on the QQQ, it was an inflow driven day. Now, if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, with inflows dominating here all day, right? From the after hours of yesterday, this was a huge support, 606. We pulled away from it, and then we stayed above the inflow level here of 608.30, and then it broke back above 609, and then the next level to watch was 612. Not based off the shorter time frames like the 5-minute here, and we could see the amount of inflows, 200K there, but the levels of the 4-hour and now touched it. We have been breaking down the 4-hour since we were down here at 560s. When we pulled up, when we pulled back down, as long as it pulled back down, the bigger time frames have been holding their bull indicators, and it does not justify the move if they don't get canceled. And then these inflows compounding here and staying above 590, 585 has been crucial. And once we got back above 600, we've been watching 610 to 612 as a key level, and we're sitting here at 612. This is where our inflow versus outflow indicator really is strong, because once those inflows come in, there tends to be a retracement and a retest of the resistance of the previous outflow levels, right? It doesn't happen on the larger time frames right away, but it's been pushing itself back up to that level and it's trying to break it, right? Now we can zoom in and look at different charts here, like the 30-minute, and you could see how we broke out from these inflow levels being support down here, 591 back above 598, 600, and now we have these inflows compounding here on the SPY. And these are key levels to not ignore. Now you can also see here in the volatility of Tesla, right, how these tight ranges matter. The one thing holding up this chart above 322 is that inflow level from yesterday. You can see how inflows are dominating there, right? When they're blue and red is outflows, and this is outflows dominating. This is a key level of resistance right now. If this could be used as support to be retested and retraced to, and then you could see Apple here in its live volatility. Once this inflow level came in, it pushed up, came back down to it. And what would be the first level I would be watching based off the strategy of our inflow versus outflow? 201, and it retraced and tested it and rejected it. And it's going to try to go for another retracement and retest tomorrow. And it's going to be crucial to get above 202, 202.50 to try to break out. And then there's another resistance up here to not ignore at 204. So what are the key levels I'll be watching here on the SPY? The first thing is support, guys, and that's 610 to 609.50. If that gets broken through, then I'll be watching 608.50 and then down here towards 607. Now to the upside, we're already touching key levels up here in all-time highs. 612 needs to be broken through and held. It's fighting to stay above it. And then I'll be watching 615, then 618, and that 620 mark. And we're going to see here what's been justifying this move apart from these inflows. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly what I was looking for as we pushed up going from Monday to Tuesday and how we've ended up here and what levels I was watching, because we have multiple bull indicators, right? On the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, and the 1 hour, and even the 30-minute. And the lower time frames may have been a little bit more volatile with bear indicators popping up, but those pullbacks were not justifiable for as long as the larger time frames were holding their bull indicators. And here it is where I break it down before the move even happened and how we got to this point and the resistance levels I was watching. If the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well, we may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600. And to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.